What is Make, formerly Integromat?
Make is a powerful online automation platform that connects your favorite apps and services. It lets businesses and individuals build custom workflows by linking different tools together, automating repetitive tasks, and eliminating manual work. From sending emails to updating spreadsheets, Make streamlines processes to save time and reduce errors. No complex coding needed.
The building blocks, scenarios, and modules.
At the heart of Make's automation are scenarios and modules. A scenario is a sequence of actions you design, while modules are the steps, like sending or receiving data inside it. By connecting multiple modules, you can create powerful multi-step workflows that move data seamlessly between various apps, making processes automatic and consistent.
How automations work in Make.
Automations in Make start with a trigger, such as a new email or form submission. When triggered, Make executes a sequence of actions, passing information between modules according to your rules. You can add conditions, filters, and even set up complex logic, allowing you to tailor automations to specific business needs and ensure smooth operations.
Integration with popular apps.
Make supports hundreds of popular apps and services like Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, Shopify, and more. By integrating these tools, Make lets you move data between them automatically. This interconnectedness means you can sync information, update records, and manage tasks without switching between platforms, vastly improving workflow efficiency.
Why Make matters for business efficiency.
Make reduces manual effort, minimizes mistakes, and speeds up routine operations by automating entire workflows. This not only saves time and resources, but also allows teams to focus on higher value work. As your business grows, Make's flexible automations can scale and adapt, ensuring your processes remain smooth and effective.